Welcome back to the series where we dive into the world of fascinating animals. Today, we're exploring one of the ocean's most colorful and powerful residents, the mantis shrimp. This little creature may look like a harmless rainbow, but don't be fooled. It's packed with incredible abilities that have earned it the nickname, the boxer of the sea. Let's dive in. The mantis shrimp is a marine crustacean found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide. While small, usually no longer than 6 inches, it's one of the most remarkable predators in the ocean. What makes this little creature so fascinating? Let's break it down into 3 jaw-dropping facts. First, let's talk about their eyes, arguably their most mind-blowing feature. Mantis shrimp have the most complex vision in the animal kingdom. While humans have 3 types of color-receptive cones, mantis shrimp have up to 16. This allows them to see colors we can't even imagine, including ultraviolet and polarized light. And their eyes move independently, giving them 360-degree vision. Basically, they're like the fighter pilots of the reef. Next up, their signature move, the punch. Mantis shrimp have a pair of club-like appendages that can strike with the force of a .22 caliber bullet. Their punches are so fast, reaching speeds of 50 miles per hour, that they create tiny bubbles called cavitation bubbles. When these bubbles collapse, they generate heat and light, adding an extra shockwave to their punch. That's like a 1-2 knockout combo. With this ability, mantis shrimp can break open crabs, snails, and even aquarium glass. It's no wonder they're called the boxer of the sea. Mantis shrimp are also some of the most vibrant creatures in the ocean, with colors ranging from electric blues to fiery reds. These colors aren't just for show. They're a signal to rivals and potential mates. Despite their beauty, mantis shrimp are territorial and highly aggressive. They'll defend their burrows fiercely and have been known to challenge animals much larger than themselves. That's confidence. Though mantis shrimp are not currently endangered, their coral reef habitats are under threat from climate change and pollution. Protecting these ecosystems is crucial, not just for the mantis shrimp, but for countless marine species. Here's a fun fact to end on. Some species of mantis shrimp are known as thumb splitters. That's because their punch is strong enough to injure a human hand. So, if you ever see one in the wild, it's best to admire from a safe distance. The mantis shrimp is a perfect example of how the smallest creatures can pack the biggest surprises. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible animal stories. Tomorrow, we'll explore yet another amazing creature. Any guesses? See you then!